Hey everyone, and welcome back. And today I'm going to be showing you how to transfer money from Revolut to PayPal account. So this is actually really simple. Now what you're going to do is simply head over to Revolut and create your account. Since you need to be sending it from Revolut to PayPal, it does basically supports multiple different other banks or different transfer possibilities that you can do using your account. So you can share your balance with multiple accounts. So it is actually possible. Simply create your account using sign up option, and then you will be able to send it over. Because if you head over to their official you can see over here their help section. You need to log in, you need to head over to the bank section and select add a new bank, and there you need to add PayPal, and just like that you can send over your money from Revolut to PayPal account. And that's how simple it is. I hope this is going to be helping you guys out, and if it does, consider subscribing to our channel, like my video, and please share it with others. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay tuned and see you in the next one.